How to upload a file to Google Drive. You want free space for your files that is safe and always available. In today's video, we will show you how you can do it on Google Drive. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to do is type Google Drive into the browser. By clicking on the first link, you will be taken to a page like this one. On this page, you need to find the Go to Drive button and click on it. The moment you enter your credentials, you will be redirected to your Drive area. As you can see, files and folders that are already on the drive will be waiting for you here. To add something to the drive space, you will simply find the New button and click on it. A list will open where you can choose the file or folder you want to upload, or you can create one of the offered documents. We will select the Upload File option. A window will open in which you will find the file you want to place on the drive. All that remains is to confirm everything by clicking the Open button. File will be uploaded to the drive and will be available there whenever you need it. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.